Okay, this is joining data sets together. So we have a few extra data sets. So we've got the original sales data, but now we've got historical sales data and we've got store mapping. So we'll use the historical sales data to demonstrate appending and concatenating, and we'll use the store mapping for joins, such as a left join and an inner join. So let's just quickly demonstrate append. It's actually quite easy. So we're going to say append sales data, and all it is sales data dot append, and then you just put in historical sales data. And let's make sure that this is actually happening. So we'll print the length of sales data. We'll print the length of historical, and we'll print the append, or the length of the append sales data as well. That's it. Okay, that works out for me. So that's been appended together. So we've got that data set. And let's do one for concatenation. So concat sales data. And all this is just PD, which is the alias for pandas, dot concat. And we just feed in the two data sets that we want to concat with each other. So that is the sales data and the historical sales data. And let's do the test again. And it works. That's good. Now let's do some joins. So let's start with a left join. So we're going to join the store mapping table to the sales data table. The sales data table will be on the left and the store mapping will be on the right. So just to remind ourselves, sales data dot head looks like this, and what we haven't seen before is store mapping head. So we see here that the store ID can be used for the join. So let's do a left join. Let's go sales data store data equals PD pandas dot merge. Let's have a look at it. So merge, you need the left, which we said was the sales data. Then we need the right, which is the store mapping. The join is done by an easy how, the left. It's a left join, and we will state that the left join will be on, and we said the store ID was a good candidate. And we're lucky because it's exactly the same naming convention for the two data sets. Sometimes we won't be that lucky. This time we are, and we say the right will be on store ID. So let's see if it worked. A bit more wider, and there it is. You can see the underscore Y here. It's because store name is both here and here. So it gets allocated an underscore Y here and an underscore X here. So you just normally drop one of these and then rename it so you've got everything. Okay, so let's demonstrate the inner join, and let's do it in a way where we are going to filter. So let's say we filter store map. So we're creating another mapping table and we say the store mapping, as we've seen in the previous videos. Store mapping, the store name, and we haven't decided on a store name just yet, so let's just take the top one here. One I probably can't pronounce, and let's just have a look at this, and we see one row. So we're going to do a inner join with this, and let's take the large historical sales data and let's get all the sales for this particular store. So that's easy. All we need to do is go, well, we'll create another variable, inner sales data store long variable name. That's fine. So we'll go we'll go pd.merge, and same thing again, left, right, and all we need is to change this to inner. So it's actually the default, but we'll be explicit here just so we understand what we're doing in the future. So we said that we were going to have the historical sales data on the left, and we'll use our filter store map on the right, and we can probably steal from here but we'll change this to inner. Okay, and now what we'll do is we'll just see how we went with this. So this will have all the historical sales data for the store that we chose, Aurora Creek. I shouldn't have even attempted that. Let's go. So yep, so we have all the historical sales data for that. So we've used an inner join to basically filter. Alright, let's try an outer. So same thing again. Let's use the filtered store map. Let's just have a look at the length of this first. 286. And let's call this outer. And we'll use the same example. We'll use the historical sales data. We'll use the same filtered store, but we'll just change this to outer. And let's see if this changes anything. Yes, so now we have an outer join. Thanks for watching.